Little storyteller.
Mr. Goggles had hair that stuck up like fluffy clouds and big round glasses that made his eyes look like friendly marbles. His classroom was full of giggling and the smell of yummy blueberry muffins, which he sometimes accidentally baked during science time. Today, Mr. Goggles was showing everyone a potion that bubbled pink and smelled like strawberries. A little girl named Lily, with bright red shoes, giggled as a tiny bubble popped on Mr. Goggles' nose, leaving a little pink dot. One sunny afternoon, after all the other children had gone home, a curious boy named Tom, who always wore a blue baseball cap, stayed behind. He saw Mr. Goggles sneak into a closet they were never allowed to open. Tom peeked inside. It wasn't a normal closet. It had blinking lights and strange lavers. Mr. Goggles was wearing goggles even bigger than usual, and was surrounded by things that whirred and glowed. Inside, Tom saw a machine that made colorful bouncy balls pop out like popcorn. Another invention was a pair of shoes that could make tiny little rainbow trails when you walked. There was even a fluffy robot bunny that hopped around saying, "Carrots, please." Mr. Goggles looked up and saw Tom. He smiled. "Oh, hello there, young scientist. Welcome to my fun lab, mister." Goggles showed Tom a hat that could make you float like a balloon, but not too high, and gloves that could make your drawings on paper wiggle and dance. Everything in the lab was silly and fun, and made Tom giggle. Mr. Goggles explained that science was all about trying new things and having fun while you learn. The next day, Tom told Lily and the other children about Mr. Goggles' secret fun lab. Mr. Goggles, instead of being upset, smiled even wider. He said, "Would you all like to see?" The children cheered. Mr. Goggles showed them all his wacky inventions, and they took turns wearing the floating hat and drawing with the wiggly drawing gloves. From that day on, sometimes Mr. Goggles would let the children help him with his fun experiments in the secret lab. They learned that it was okay to make mistakes, like slightly singed eyebrows, as long as you were curious and kept trying. They also learned that sharing fun things with friends makes them even more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.